That's a good question about toilet brushes. So as a professional cleaner, I do not lug around a toilet brush. I think that's creepy, yucky. Like, I don't want to carry something that was in your toilet. Obviously, I flush the toilet before cleaning it. But still, I know some cleaners carry a toilet brush and they spray it down and disinfect it and they put it in a large cup and they carry it with them. That's fine if they want to do that. I don't. It's 2 less things I have to worry about carrying. It's 2 less things I have to worry about disinfecting. And it's not like a cloth where you can just put it in the wash and disinfect it in the wash. It's a brush. It has bristles. No. So me personally, I don't carry it. I do require that my clients have a toilet brush at each toilet. Now, whether they want to do disposable, those little disposable cloth things that get flushed down the toilet, or those bigger sponge ones and you have to put them in the trash, or an actual brush, whatever they want to do, I use that. That's fine with me. Me personally, as a non-professional cleaner for my home, I do have a brush. I don't like disposable stuff because, again, it's disposable. It's a waste of money. I try to keep disposable stuff as less as possible. It's one of the reasons why my cleaning business became green certified, because I use a lot of reusability, minimal waste. I don't like doing disposable. You have to constantly buy those little cloth things that have the toilet bowl cleaner already on it, and then it gets flushed down the toilet. It's just more bulk waste trash that has to be processed through the wastewater treatment plant. I don't like it. So I use a regular brush. I have seen brushes that are like a plastic silicone material. That's good. I don't know if they clean that well because they're not scrubbing. It's just like plastic rubbing on porcelain. I don't know how much that's actually scrubbing any kind of gunk off. So I stick to a regular brush in the little container thing. So some tips on keeping your toilet brush clean and disinfected. After I use the toilet brush, I do like to spray it down with a disinfectant. I personally like using Force of Nature, hydrogen peroxide, or isopropyl alcohol to spray down the toilet brush. Let it sit for a few minutes for the recommended dwell time, and then I put it in the little toilet bowl thing. I do see some people put Fabuloso in the toilet bowl container thing that holds the brush. Fabuloso is not a disinfectant, so you're not killing any germs or bacteria. You're just making it smell nice, but you're not killing any germs or bacteria. Fabuloso is not a disinfectant. Keep that in mind. Pine Sol, yes, but Fabuloso, no. So it is good to disinfect your toilet brush in between. Flush first before using the toilet brush. And if you've seen my other videos, when you do coat the toilet rim with your toilet bowl cleaner, you have to let that sit too for the recommended dwell time so that it can kill off any germs, viruses, or bacteria. Especially after having food poisoning, you gotta disinfect that toilet because water does splash up. If you're throwing up and I don't want to get into it, but you want to disinfect it. So when you put the toilet bowl cleaner, you can't just put it in there and immediately scrub and flush. You're not disinfecting. Got to follow that recommended dwell time. I have another video talking about that as well. So those are my tips on toilet brushes. Crunchy Clean by Kathy. Ask more questions. I love questions. Thanks.